getting him out of the truck there. We'll get the Ricky up here.
It's fun just learning this Pro 2. It's a ton different than the Pro Lights, so absolute blast learning, and good to have these guys up here to battle with. So just excited to be out here and keep learning stuff all weekend, and yeah.
Good time. I know so many people that behind you guys. I mean, fun, your social media that's going on, watching everything that's going, it's always entertaining, but it's all these sponsors that it's all about.
Yeah, definitely. We just came back from the North 1000, went all the way down the Baja Peninsula, so still recovering. Still the boys are recovering from that week-long race, but absolute blast. And got to thank NOS Energy Drink, Players Razor, BF Garage Tires, Walker Evans Racing, South Point, everyone who helps us out. Thank you guys.
Give it up for the birthday boy, Ronnie Anderson, right there. We got Mason McCarthy.